My name is Sophia Sobrino, and I'm a studio art major with a communications minor. The Goodrum House was created in 1929 by Philip Schutze for May Patterson Goodrum, and it's a really beautiful example of Southern classical architecture with the Regency style. My day-to-day work typically looks like setting my stuff down and just going everywhere around the house, which is amazing. I get a really great hands-on experience with the objects, the art, the furniture, and it's just a really great way to interact with the museum. To some people, a chair is just a chair, but here, a chair is so much more. And it's my responsibility to find everything I can about the chair, the fabric, the wood, the make of it, the details, the patterns that may be there. So it's a lot of research and investigation. One of the more important things when I came on here was to figure out how immigration, in particular Hispanic immigration, played a role in this little piece of Southern history, because I felt that it related to my own story in a way. So a pretty exciting thing that I've been doing with my research has been looking at immigration documents. So that has been very interesting, seeing the paperwork from Ellis Island from the 1900s. So it's been very cool seeing everything.
Sophia's fabulous, absolutely wonderful in her ability to think on her feet and generally help out around here. I am one person here, so I can't really delve into oftentimes the provenance and putting all of that into a database. It's an internship that I think really gives her some good ground experience as well, and she feels as if she's, actually contributing to something. Oftentimes internships, they might feel like you're just doing a certain little project that doesn't fit into the bigger picture, that it doesn't matter, but for us it really does matter what the students are helping us with here.
So I would say a course that prepared me very well for this experience was museum studies. I think that course was really eye-opening to see exactly what goes into making a museum work and work well. So an example of something that helped me out was when we did condition reports for museum studies. So we actually got to go up to the Oglethorpe Museum of Art, play around in their storage a little bit, and fill out real condition reports on pieces that they had there. And so having that knowledge and coming here with it, I already knew how to do condition reports, and I could assess objects and look at them deeper than a surface level. I actually acquired this internship through my connection with the Oglethorpe Museum, so I am super thankful to them for helping me get here and for guiding me while I am here. I did not grow up going to museums. I really didn't grow up around art. So having this experience it gives me a good foundation in what a museum should be and how a museum should act and how it can really inspire joy in audiences and preserve history. I mean, there are so many good things that a museum can do for a community, both small scale and large scale. So I love the idea of taking my experience at the Goodrum House and applying it to wherever I end up in the future. I mean, this museum in particular has really helped me to engage on a deeper level with art and think about things from a historical perspective, a preservation perspective, not just an artistic perspective. So I think it's made me a very well-rounded individual.